In this video, I will show you how to add another website to hosting a WordPress. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, make sure you are on the home page. Now go on the left side and click on websites. Head over to website list. Now in here, just click on add website and click on WordPress. Okay. Now here type your admin mail, password and just click on next. Select the theme. Choose any plugins you want and click on install WordPress. Okay, in here you have to type a domain you already own or you have to buy a new domain. So I don't have any domain. I'm going with subdomain. Okay, as you can see, subdomain is free. Now after that, just click on next. Now as you can see, the WordPress website is installed. So that's it for the video. That's how you can create a new website on Hostinger. Thanks for watching.